students, apart from natural numbers, whole numbers, integers and rational numbers, we have another group of numbers which we have to understand in this class, which are irrational numbers. Now, what are these irrational numbers? These are actually the group of numbers which cannot be written in the form of P upon Q, where P and Q are integers and Q is not equal to 0. That means those numbers which are not rational are irrational. But there is something more to that. Their decimal expansion is neither terminating nor recurring. Actually, when we represent them in decimal form, the digits after the decimal are not repeating. Like, for example, if we take the number square root 2, when we find the square root, we know it comes as 1.41 and so on. The digits are not repeating after the decimal. No group of numbers is repeating after the decimal. Same way, we have square root 3, we have square root 5, we have square root of maybe 5 upon 7. Okay? So these are the numbers which are not recurring after decimal digits. For example, we can take a number 1.0103004 0002 00009 and so on. We are seeing no set of integers, no set of digits after the decimal place is repeating. So these numbers, such numbers are called irrational numbers. In general, square root p, where p is what? Where p is prime number, and pi are irrationals. These are two basic examples of irrational numbers. Also, if we take nth root of any prime number, that will also be an irrational number. Nth root of any prime number will also be an irrational number. Or in other words, we can say nth root of a number a, which is equivalent to a raised to the power 1 by n, which is equivalent to a raised to the power 1 by n, is also a kind of irrational number. Right? We have to understand what is the order of an irrational number. Order of an irrational number. What we said, what is an irrational number? We say, suppose if nth root of a or a raised to the power 1 by n is an irrational number. That means its decimal representation is neither terminating nor recurring. That means its decimal representation is neither repeating nor terminating. Then n is called the order of irrational number. N is what? N is what? N is actually the nth root of number a. A is called radicand and a raised to the power 1 by n is called radical. What we said is, how do we define the order of irrational number? If suppose nth root of any integer of any number, nth root of any number is irrational, then n is called as the order of the irrational number. A is called its radicand and a raised to the power 1 by n is called its radical.